Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Thursday 5th December 2024. Today UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number. Lunchtime prediction number for today. First number 7, number 15, number 20, number 36. Number 40, booster number 17, UK 49's tea time prediction number for today. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49's 3 hot number. Join now. Tea time prediction for today. First number 6, number 22, number 42, number 16, number 33, and booster number 9. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.